silent battles inside of me. I've prayed these prayers 1,000 times, through restless nights and anxious minds. Some days my faith feels paper thin, but still I'm reaching out again. When my thoughts won't let me rest, and my heart feels so oppressed, I hear you whisper soft and low, my child, you're not alone. Lord, I am tired, my strength feels gone. I've been holding on for so long, but even when I can't see the way, I know you're with me every day. When my tears fall like the rain and hope feels buried under pain, I lift my eyes, I speak your name. Lord, I am tired, but you remain. For long years of fighting fear, smiling through what no one hears. Some days I feel so far from strong, but you remind me I belong. I've learned that faith is not pretending that I'm okay or never bending. It's trusting you with every scar, knowing you love me as I am. When the noise won't quiet down, and I'm afraid I'll always drown, you hold my hand, you pull me through. Your grace is always new. Lord, I am tired, my strength feels gone. I've been holding on for so long, but even when I can't see the way, I know you're with me every day. When my tears fall like the rain and hope feels buried under pain, I lift my eyes, I speak your name. You never asked me to be strong alone. You never left me on my own. When I can't stand, you carry me. When I can't pray, you still hear me. This season won't define my life. You are bigger than this fight. I may bend, but I won't break, because my heart is in your hands. Even here, you see me. Even now, you love me. Lord, I am tired, but I still believe you are working deep in me. Even in the shadows, you are near. Your perfect love is stronger than fear. I will rest inside your grace till joy returns and light breaks through. Ooh, Lord, I am tired, but I know you are with me too. So I'll breathe again, one step, one day, trusting you along the way. I am tired, Yes, it's true, but I am held. I am held by you.